Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a demonstration on how to volumize your hair with this baby right here. There are a few of you who requested and wanted me to show you, so here I am today to give you an idea on how I get my hair to look absolutely big and fabulous. I recently just discovered this. Before this, I was using a crimper, which was really nice. It was doing a really good job for a while, up until I started to notice like all the crimping that would come through underneath my hair, and it really bothered me, and it looks kind of tacky. This is absolutely a miracle worker. I mean, it lasted 3 days in the sun, sweat, whatever, and this one lasted maybe 1.5 days. So I'm gonna show you the difference between the two products. This is a gold hot crimper. I'm gonna start off with this hair, this side. Take a little bit from here and then move it over this side, and then start crimping your hair little by little. There you go. Already you can see the texture of this. It's very strong and noticeable. I'm going to continue doing my hair on this side. Finish it up so you guys can see. Oh, I can hear that hair burning. Whew. But it's okay, I need the volume. My hair is so soft and thin, and no matter what I do, if I dye it or I like try to like damage it or get it kind of brassy, it's still not gonna keep the volume. Even if I tease it, when I tease it throughout the day, it does not stay. So these crimper products and Voloom is a lifesaver for reals. So there you see, it's all this crimping that's going on, the 80s attack. Let me do a little bit more on this side so I can get that volume. More volume, please. Asian hair especially, it's just not gonna hold up. Teasing, hairspray, whatsoever. There you have it. You can see that with the crimper, it's coming through the hair even when I'm trying to hide it. And to me, that kind of looks really tacky. So, that texture that the crimper has, it gives you the volume, but it's not gonna give you the naturalness of your hair being volumized. See, even right here, you can see it coming out. I'm starting to look like 80s hot mess. It's because the way that the crimper is like a zigzag kind of like W shape, and it's not uneven. It's very even all the way around. So now I'm gonna move on to this side. Here we have it, the Voloom. I discovered this while just browsing on the internet, and since then I've been using this, and I thought it was so good that I had to give all of my sisters this product because their hair is seriously needs help. It's so flat. I'm going to show you on this side how it looks. I'm gonna take a little bit of hair, move it onto this side, Voloom away. So the Voloom, you can tell already, doesn't have all that harsh texture. It kind of just looks like when you tease your hair, that's what it looks like, kind of like a blob, and then not much of a shape for you to see, as opposed to this side you can see the whole shape. So this is like very light, natural texture. And I'm going to continue doing it on this side to get that extra volume. Just crimp it close to the roots right here. The longer you hold it, the more texture you'll get. They have a volume setting, so in case you don't want to like damage your hair, you can go at a lower temperature. But my hair needs the fullest temperature, the highest, because it's just so difficult to work with. Remember, when you crimp your hair, don't crimp it like close to the front, because if you do, then it's gonna show through and it's gonna be really weird looking. So when I crimp my hair, I crimp it all the way up to my ears and about 3 times down. 1, 2, and 3. There you go. And I go back if I need to. So we have both sides of the hair crimped and voloomed. Clearly you can see that both products give me volume, but on this side, when I lift up my hair, it's not as harsh as when I'm lifting it up from this side. This is really something that I don't want to see or come through when my hair is like moving around, or when the wind blows my hair and I'm out like taking a photo shoot or a music video shoot. I don't want it to show through when I'm moving or performing or anything like that. Whereas this, when you're just moving a little bit, it's not as harsh and it's not as crazy, so it's more forgivable. And I think that I see a little bit more volume on this side, and I only did it like maybe a pass and a half, where this one I did like 3 or 4 passes. On this side will definitely last longer. I was lazy for a show one time and I didn't want to crimp my hair or volume my hair, so I kind of left it in and it lasted for like 3 days. Kudos to this product right here. This one, on the other hand, I was in Vietnam. I crimped it and it was humid and everything just went down and it was just not pretty at all. Also, if you feel like you volumed your hair too much, they give you this red brush and you can just comb it out and it'll look even more less textured, but still keep that volume for you. So don't worry about brushing it all out. It'll still have the volume. Sometimes I go crazy and I like crimp too much or volume, I keep forgetting, volume so much and think that it's gonna come out, but it really does not. On here, I'm combing it constantly and it's not coming out. It's like one of those products where you curl your hair and it's not a great curl, but it just stays there forever. That's what this side is. It's just harsh. Look at that. It's coming through already. And right here, nothing. If I were to recommend a product, this baby takes it. It's just amazing. I don't even need to tease my hair and damage it any more than it already is. I love this product. Even if you want to curl your hair, you can curl it after you crimp it. I'm sorry, after you volume it. I've been using this crimper for so long, I just get used to saying crimp, so sorry, but I have to let you go. Let it go. Turn you off and use this one. This product I got on Amazon. I think it's about 100 and something. I will leave the information in the box below for you guys. Basically, it's a lifesaver, really. I recommend this one. I hope you guys find this video useful, and if you guys have any questions, please let me know, inbox me or comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys next time. Go volume your hair.